Stock Nifty to jumps 350 and 400 PTS on Trump's tariff verdict 25,950 to 26,000. Curical says Sundip Shah on the upside the 25,950 to 26,000 had born and stand as a immediate resistance zone. How the index react around this key level will determine the next meaningful directional move, said Sundip Shah. $25,950 to $26,000 stand as an immediate resistance zone for Nifty50, and momentum visibility strength in both high-tech, energy, and KEI industry, and supported by improving technical structure and chart of NTPC and upper industry signaling improving momentums. Following the Supreme Court verdict against the Trump's era tariff positive global cues cooled Tiger a gap up, opening around 350 to 400 points on the Nifty 50. But how the index reached around 25,950 to 26,000 resistance level will determine the next meaningful directional move, said Sundip Shah, the head technical and derivatives research at CB Security in interview to Money Control. He is bullish on Indian Bank and Tata Steel. Indian Bank has given a horizontal trend line breakout on a weekly scale and format sizable bullish candle. Will Tata Steel continue to from a higher high? Low structure on the daily scale on consolidating at higher level, reflecting underlying strengths. Nifty featured are signaling a 350 to 400 points rally on Monday, following the Supreme Court ruling against Trump's era tariff. Do you think the Nifty can break through and sustain above the floor and 25,900 to 26,000 hurdle in the week ahead? Last week, the benchmark index Nifty oscillated within a narrow 512 points band. It is target weekly range in the past months, leading to the formation of an NRA pattern. Despite this contraction in price range, volatility stayed and elevated. The first three sessions saw a gradual pullback, but Thursday brought a sharp reversal that wiped out earlier gain on Friday. The index won again found support near the lower boundary of the range and bounced back. Should choppy price action and suggested that a deeper structural shift may be dewing benchmark the survey. Since February 4, Nifty has been consolidating within a well-defined corridor of 26,009, 25,373. Even within this confirmed range, and volatility has remained relatively high, and prolonged consolidation has caused key moving averages to flatten, reflecting the absence and the trend and momentum indicator, and reinforce the sideways base which the RSI moving within a compressed band for the last 13 sessions and historically should extend the compression. Fresh often reached a strong breakout in either direction. In the near term, the index is likely to continue moving sideways, with stock-specific opportunity remaining active. However, following the Supreme Court verdict against the Trump era tariffs and positive global cues could trigger a gap up and opening of around 350 to 400 points, and on the level found the 25,400 to 25,350 zone remain a critical support area marked by the confluence of the multiple previous swing lows. A DC breach below 25,350 may open the door for a sharper correction toward 25,000 on the upside. The 25,950 to 26,000 band stand as an immediate resistance zone, and how the index react around this key level will determine the next meaningful directional move. Do you think the Bank Nifty will maintain it is the upward trajectory and continue to outperform next week well? The banking benchmark Bank Nifty remain a clear outperforms, continuing to outshine the broader market, while the headline Nifty still entries nearly 3% below its record break. Bank Nifty is hovering close to it is the lifetime high and highlighting the sector relative strength. The dominance is also evident in the Bank Nifty and Nifty ratio chart, which has climbed to a 33-month high and signaling that market leadership is firmly titled the world banking stock at present. And technically, with the index trading near historic level, the overall setup remains decisively bullish. All key moving averages are aligned positively. The daily RSI is comfortable place around 60, indicating resistance and momentum, while the weekly RSI has advances further into bullish territory, reinforcing the strength of the broader trend. Given this constructive price structure and supportive momentum indicator, Bank Nifty appear well positioned to continue to its upward move in the near term. From a level perspective, the 20-day EMA zone of 6,050 to 6,040 serves as an important supported band. On upside, 61,600, 61,700 stand as the immediate hurdle. A decisive and the sustained move about 61,700 could pave the way for fresh rally, potentially leading to a new record high on the next phase of bullish expansion.